Hi, it's Matt Guards here from UK Lock Sport. Just a couple of open locks here, just trying to get back into it again because I've been working some really long hours at the moment. I got this military, Russian military lock sent in from the Ukraine. There's the actual key for it. If I can get this to focus for you, you might be able to see a bit better. Yeah, there's the key. So it works in these dimples, top and bottom. Anyway, I'll push in. It's actually key retaining, he says, when he can get it to work. There you are. So it gets stuck, jammed in there quite well. And then just when it's open, just to prove, it's key retaining. So it'll only let the keys out when this is locked, obviously. Hence key retaining. Oh, that's actually open still. So that wasn't very good, was it? Let's lock this up. There you are. If you heard that set then. Yeah. Anyway. I'm gonna bypass this. It's not picking it, so I'm sorry about that. I was just having to play around with it. I've actually figured out how to tension it, just not how to pick it yet. See if I can get a bit of focus on it. Right, you go in, just where this one hits here. You keep the outside of your pick just there. Oh well, tension wrench, and you should be able to feel some tension in there. He says. Is that? No. It's quite hard to get used to it. You couldn't do this in a rush, I don't think. Sorry, I'll keep this in view so you... Yeah, it's still closed. That should now be open. There we are. See, in here, about this far back, there's a little bar, and if you just twist a little bit, you can catch it. The bar's like this inside, and if you just catch it, I'll show you on the top here, so we can come to the other side of the camera, so you can see a bit better. We can focus in here. But in here, this is your locking mechanism, and that's it locked. This bar actually pushes across. And I'll just put this in the keyway. And so I figured out that to tension it, you just have to push up to the side. And there, that's it bypassed. It's easier when you can see down. And then set, bypass. Anyway, I will have a go at SPP in this. I'd like to put this on UK Lock Sport, but I don't think they'll let me because it is technically classed as a bypass, because there was a member on there and I can't remember who it was. He said he'd like to see me get into it and wondered how I'd do it. At first I thought I'd have to tension it using the top here by pulling on this shackle to give tension to push the pins in, like on Yale and Towie, but Yale and Townley, sorry. But it's not that. So anyway, stay safe, stay legal, and if there's anyone from UK Lock Sports that can say whether I can put it on there or not, please let me know, because I would like to for that person on there. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe. Thanks, bye.